A heartwarming story from Gurgaon has captured the internet's attention. An auto driver returned a lost bag containing valuable items, including a diamond pendant, showcasing honesty and kindness. The story began when a friend of Arnav Deshmukh, while relocating, left her bag in an auto-rickshaw. The bag held essential documents and a sentimental diamond pendant, a cherished family heirloom. Panicked, Deshmukh and his friend tried contacting the driver through UPI but received no response. With hope dwindling, they approached the Gurgaon police, who quickly assisted by checking surveillance cameras. Just as hope seemed lost, they received a call. "Madam, an auto driver has come with your bag." The driver, Manurul Jaman, returned the bag with all contents intact, leaving the family overwhelmed with gratitude. The LinkedIn post celebrating this act of honesty went viral. Users praised the driver and the police for their integrity. Shanu Sharma commented on the rarity of such acts, while Gaurav Diptagash emphasized the importance of sharing positive stories to inspire a virtuous cycle. In the end, media should focus more of the positive sides rather than spreading negativity in the society all the time. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel to get more exciting videos.